Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Sir. I am Marie Antoinette Fulgencio. Today, I will be showing teaching demonstration. The subject I will be teaching is Mathematics 3, and the topic is a concept of fraction. Good morning, class. Before we start, let us ask guidance from God through a short prayer. May I request Miss Erdeline to lead us the prayer? Amen. Good morning, class. Please take your seat. Okay, let's check her attendance. Who's not around today? Okay, very good. No one is absent. How are you today, class? That's great to hear. Today, we're going to learn something fun and useful. It's all about fraction. But first, let me ask you something. Who here's love eating pizza? Okay, so now let's imagine I have one whole pizza. Now, if I cut this pizza into 4 equal parts, how many slices do we have? Yes, that's correct. It's 4 slices of pizza. Now, if I ate one slice, how many do I eat? Yes, that's right. It's one slice of pizza. That's right, I ate one out of 4 slices. In math, we call that 1/4 in 1 over 4, and we write it as 1/4. So, that we call as fraction. That's right, I ate one out of 4 slices. In math, we call that 1/4 or 1 over 4 that we write it as 1/4. We call this as fraction. When I say 1/4, just clap once. When I say 2/4, just clap 2 times. When I say 3/4, just clap 1, 2, 3. When I say whole, just clap 1, 2, 3, 4 and said yay. Okay? Do it fast and mix it up. Okay, let's start. 1/4, 3/4, whole. Yay! Okay, very good. Great job. Now that your hands and brains are ready, let's learn about fraction. Before we proceed to our discussion, may I request everyone to read our objectives? Okay, thank you, class. Now, our topic for today is all about the concept of fraction. Okay, Miss Balau, can you read the definition? Okay, thank you so much, Miss Balau. A fraction has two numbers. So number 1 is numerator. The numerator top numbers tells how many parts are taken. For example, we have 1/4. The numerator is the 1. So another example is the 2/4. So where is the numerator here? So very good. The 2. Do you understand what is numerator? Okay, very good. Now, do you have any clarification or question about this? If none, let's proceed to the second part of fraction, which is denominator. The denominator, bottom number, tells how many equal parts make the whole. For example, we have here 1/2. So where is the denominator here? The 2. So the another example is the 3/4. Can you find where is the denominator here? Very good, the 4. Do you understand what is denominator, class? Okay, very good. Now, do you have any clarification or question about this? Okay. Now, I have here another examples. Number 1 is the 1/2 means 1 part out of 2 equal parts. So, the numerator here is the 1. Okay. The denominator here is the 2. Okay. Do you understand, class? Okay. Now we'll proceed to this second example. We have here 1/4 means 1 part out of 4 equal parts. So, the numerator here is the 1. And the denominator is 4. Okay. The instruction is you need to identify the numerator and denominator that shows in the flashcard, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 and going to raise your hand as fast as you can. For you to answer, the group that earn most points will be the winner. Do you understand the instruction, class? Okay, are you ready? Okay, now let's begin. Okay, 1, 2, 3, answer. Group 1. Very good. Correct. Now you have 1 point. Okay, let's proceed. 1, 2, 3, answer. Yes, group 2. Very good. Group 2 is earned 1 point. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes, group 1. Okay, very good. Now you have 2 points. Let's proceed. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What is your answer, group 1? Okay, very good. You have 3 points. Okay, last one. We have this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The answer of group 1 is? Okay, very good. So, our winner is group 1. Let's clap our hands. Okay, very good. Now that we have done to our activity, I have now our assignment. Okay, I will read your assignment. Draw a pizza and divide into a 6 equal parts. Shade 3 out of 6 parts. Write the fraction and give 2 examples of fraction in real life. So class, this will be your assignment and you will pass it for tomorrow. So class, what did you learn today? Perfect! Keep practicing fraction at home, maybe when you share snack with your family. Goodbye, class!